The paper factory of Dalum is situated in Odense and along the nature surrounding the river of Odense. Operating for more than 130 years, the paper factory grew until the mid-60s, taking up a lot of land. Now we are bringing back nature and creating new green facilities, connections and communities. We preserve the culture and history of the old paper factory by transforming the old original building structures, giving them new life, activities and meaning, and bring back pride to the whole area. By transforming, we preserve up to 85% of the existing building masses. Materials are being reused and demolished material are also reused to level the site for flood protection. Now we're standing in front of the paper halls and they are being transformed to office space, retail space, public event space, part-time parking. It's a multifunctional space. They're characterized by the concrete, by the roof light, these iconic shed roof profiles, and it's going to be like a solid base for the understanding of the identity in the area. We have a sustainable, holistic approach to the project. From our working title, From Grey to Green, we want to bring back nature, preserve history by transformation, and create new connections and new diverse communities.